Hi everyone, let's make chicken pot pie today. It's a very simple, easy recipe and kids enjoy it a lot. Very wholesome too. So you have vegetables and chicken. So all of these are together in it, and so it makes it a very healthy dish also. For that, we're gonna go over the ingredients. You would need a pound of chicken breast, of carrots. It's just I sliced them, about a cup of carrots, one small or one medium onion. It says a cup of celery cut, half a cup of frozen peas, 2/3 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of flour, plain flour, about 1.5 teaspoons of chopped garlic, one stick of butter, and I have these pie crusts, Pillsbury pie crusts. You can also get the pre-made pies, or you can make the crust yourself, but if you can find these, why go through the hassle? Other than that, just for my taste, this is optional. Red pepper flakes, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and about 1 teaspoon of salt, and some green onion. And you will need a pie dish. Saute it. Put in the onion. And saute that. Once the onion's sauteed, we put in the flour. Mix it well. And then go ahead and add the milk. Till it forms thick. And then go ahead and keep it on the side. Okay, take a saucepan, about 2.5 cups of water, and in that you would add your vegetables, and your chicken. Add your also add the spices. Okay, so we've boiled it and creamy. Add all our chicken broth and the vegetables and chicken to this. We're going to let it cook for some time till the whole mixture is uniform and it becomes thick, nice and thick. Plus you want to make sure the chicken is done really, really well and it's not hard. Okay, so this is about the right consistency. And make sure it's more creamy on the creamy side. Go ahead and add the green onion this time, and then you just keep it aside for it to cool down a little bit. Okay, in the meanwhile, set the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure it's preheated. Okay. This right on top. And then pinch the side. Around just so the steam can escape. And we'll put this in the oven. Oh, before I forget, I did want it to do an egg wash on it. This is optional, obviously. Just gives a really nice color to the pie. Okay, ready to go in for about 35 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to put it on a cookie tray so if it spills, it's not all over the oven. Okay, so our pie is baked. As you can see, it's very hot, so I can't touch it. And I'll let it cool down for a good 15 minutes before we can cut it and serve it.